Hey, if you want to connect your Sony WH-1000XM6 by using cable into your PC, then you can for sure do this. There's the headphone jack input, and by the way, you don't even have to use that original cable. For me, it's actually too short. So I'm actually using this one from my old headphones, and it's also working properly. So make sure that you put it here. And now for sure, this cable second end just into the headphone input on your PC. Whoopsie. Plug it in, and we are successfully connected. And now you can also go into the right bottom corner into the settings, go into the sound settings, and as you can see, now it's actually detecting our headphones just over here. So we can actually change some options about volume, stuff like this. And that's basically it. You can also unplug it anywhere. And yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching.